Happy morning, children. Welcome back. Hope you all are fine and wrote your exam well. And today we are going to write our science test. So, we are going to do the science revision. Now, all of you take out your textbook and classwork for revision. Children, there are 3 lessons for September monthly test: food, health and happiness, and parts of a plant. Let's start the revision. And this is the pattern for September monthly test. Choose, fill-ups, match, name one, write true or false, answer the following and diagram. Now I am going to revise the important questions in this lesson. First one, the types of food the body needs are called dash. The types of food the body needs are called nutrients. Second one, dash are the energy bank of the body. Which is the energy bank of the body, children? Yes, fats are the energy bank of the body. Then our bones and teeth are made of a mineral called dash. Our bones and teeth are made of a mineral called calcium. Then fourth one, dash helps the body make blood. Which mineral helps the body make blood? Yes, iron helps the body make blood. Then dash means the kind of food we generally eat. Diet means the kind of food we generally eat. Then sixth one, dash helps the body make new skin, hair, nail and blood. Which nutrient help the body make new skin, hair, nail and blood? Yes, it is protein. Then seventh one, dash keep our eye, skin, gums, teeth and bones are healthy. Which nutrient help children? Yes, that is vitamins. Eighth one, bacteria in the mouth produce a dash substance which eats away teeth. Bacteria in the mouth produce a harmful substance. Then holes in the teeth are called dash. Holes in the teeth are called cavities. Then 10th one, eggshells and teeth are made of dash. Eggshells and teeth are made of a mineral called calcium. Then 11th one, you should keep your back dash while walking. Okay, we want to keep our back straight while walking. Then 12th one, germs living on the dash cause rashes and boils. Germs living on the skin cause rashes and boils. Then 13th one, the substance that helps the leaves trap sunlight is called chlorophyll. What is that? The substance that helps the leaf trap sunlight is called chlorophyll. Next 14th one, carbon dioxide and water form dash and oxygen in the leaves. Carbon dioxide and water form sugar and oxygen in the leaves. Then 15th one, leaves give off dash at night. Leaves gives off carbon dioxide at night. Then 16th, the job of dash is to help the plant reproduce. Which part of the plant helps to reproduce? Yes, the job of flower is to help the plant to reproduce. Then next one, seedling grow when seeds get water, air and warmth. Seedling grow when seeds get water, air and warmth. Then 18th one, the process by which plants make food is called photosynthesis. The process by which plants make food is called photosynthesis. Then next one, seed is covered by a tough skin is called dash. Seed is covered by a tough skin is called seed coat. Then 20th one, next, plant protect the soil from dash. Plant protect the soil from erosion. Next, name one. Children, you can write any one answer for each question. First one, a root that stores food. That is carrot. You can write beetroot and radish also. Then, second one, a stem that makes food. That is cactus. Then third one, a plant with climbing roots. Okay. plants have weak stem, they have climbing roots. You can write money plant, better plant, grapevine, etc. Then fourth one, a plant that has fibrous root. Okay, which plant have fibrous root, children? Yes, grass, rice, wheat, maize, etc. You can write any one answer. Then fifth one, a seed with two cotyledons. That is mustard seed. You can write other seeds also. Then sixth one, a seed that is scattered by water. That is lotus seed. And you can write the coconut seed also. Then seventh one, most trees and shrubs have which type of roots, children? Most trees and shrubs have tap roots. Then the roots growing out of the branches of banyan tree is a prop root, and these roots act like pillars. So this is called prop root. Answer the following. First one, name the 5 nutrients that the body needs. Children, what are the 5 nutrients? Yes, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Then second one, which type of nutrient helps us to grow? Okay, protein gives the body material it needs to grow and to repair itself. So which nutrient helps to grow? Proteins. Protein gives the body material it needs to grow and to repair itself. Third one, why do we eat food? Children, why do we eat food? Food gives us energy, it helps in body building and it helps to fight against disease. Then fourth one, how should you keep your teeth clean? Children, how should we keep our teeth clean? Brush twice a day, rinse our mouth after eating. Okay, brush twice a day and rinse your mouth after eating. Then fifth one, why do we need to sleep? Children, why do we need to sleep? When we sleep, our body and brain relaxes and become fit to again to do the next day activities. Okay, when we sleep, our body and brain relaxes and become fit to do the next day activities. Then sixth one, what is meant by posture? You know what is posture? Posture means the way we sit, stand or walk. What, children? Posture means the way we sit, stand or walk. Then seventh one, what are the 2 types of roots that plants have? What are the 2 types of roots? Yes, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot, for example, sunflower, dahlia. And examples for fibrous root, rice, wheat. Eighth one, what are the 2 functions of the root? What are the main 2 functions of the root, children? It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Then it fixes the plant firmly in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil and it fixes the plant firmly in the soil. Children, next one, diagram. Draw and practice the 2 types of root. What are they? Taproot and fibrous root. You want to refer page number 28. Children, without wasting the time, learn and revise all these questions and write and see in a rough note without any mistakes. Children, write your test in 192 pages science test note. Then first you want to write the index. Number 2, unit test 2. Then take a new page. On the top you want to write your name and class. And first line science. Then leave 1 or 2 lines and write September monthly test. Then leave 2 lines and start the test. No need to copy the question. Children, use blue color ink pen. Then one question answer finish means you want to draw 1 line and write your test very neatly with legible handwriting and try to avoid mistakes. All the best, children. Have a nice